Welcome to our tutorial on how to view your blocked list on Gmail using your PC. Managing who can and cannot reach your inbox is crucial for maintaining a clutter-free and secure email experience. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to access and review the contacts you've blocked. First, open Gmail by navigating to the Gmail website in your web browser. Once logged in, you'll see a familiar interface with various options at your disposal. To manage settings related to blocked addresses, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon serves as a gateway to all of Gmail's customizable features. After clicking on the gear icon, select See All Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you into a comprehensive settings page where you can adjust everything from display preferences to advanced filtering rules. Now that we're in the settings area, navigate over to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Clicking here will reveal two main sections, Filters and Blocked Addresses. Filters allow you to automate actions based on specific criteria like sender or subject line content, while blocked addresses are those whose emails are automatically sent straight into spam. In this tab, scroll down until you find the section labeled Blocked Addresses. Here is where all email addresses that have been flagged as unwanted are listed out for easy reference. You can review each address individually if needed, or even unblock someone if circumstances change. Reviewing this list helps ensure that only unwanted senders are being filtered out of your inbox, while important communications remain accessible. If there's an address here that no longer needs blocking, perhaps due to a misunderstanding or change in communication needs, you can easily unblock it by selecting Unblock next to their email address and confirming with another click of Unblock. By following these straightforward steps, managing who reaches your inbox becomes much simpler and more efficient than ever before. Thanks for watching our tutorial today. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.